Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1950 Ford F1 killer truck, guys. Bought this car from a buddy of mine out of Alabama. He actually bought this truck out of the Heritage Collection. Truck was built in 2011. It's got 2,900 miles on a complete frame off custom build. Beautifully done, guys. It's got a it's hard to describe. It's an off-white. It's a 3-stage pearl paint on it. That's a custom ironwood bed in it. Just tons of stuff. There's a show board that goes with the truck that kind of explains the build, but it is beautiful. Runs and drives excellent. One thing I'll tell you, Joe told me, he said, you won't believe the quality of this truck. Joe, you are absolutely right, man. This thing is beautiful. Heidts front suspension, Mustang II front suspension. Like you say, it's all Ford drivetrain and hits the road great. Slick paint. Almost everything on this is actually done in stainless. I think there's $10,000 in stainless alone on this truck. I do have a bed for the tailgate for the truck. It's all painted and the hinges are there, but it would definitely still need to be put on by a body shop. You have to drill all the holes and stuff, but it's all painted and everything. That's a stainless grill. Again, gorgeous paint on this truck. Slick truck. And really drives nice, guys. Again, Heidts Mustang II front suspension in it. It's steel hood, steel body, steel bed. It's got fiberglass fenders and running boards on it. Powered by Ford. I thought that was pretty cool. Really cool mirrors on it and very useful, I will tell you that. Oh, we missed some bugs on it, guys. See, it's got tinted glass in it, all new glass. This is really cool. That 1950 Ford lights up when you turn the parking lights on. Again, this is an ironwood bed. Yeah, this is all stainless. Beautiful truck, man. It's got a custom fuel cell underneath it. They've removed it from the cab. Fit and finish is excellent on the truck. All LED lighting. There is not a whole lot. This is actually where you fuel it, guys. There's really not much to. You could really nitpick on the truck. It's gorgeous. I put the new wheels and tires. Those are brand new rubber all the way around it. 18 and 20 inch American Racing torque thrust. I just didn't like the wheels that were on it, guys. Again, we do have a tailgate that goes with it. It's all painted. It would just need to be put on. Joe didn't want it on because he'd like to show off that bed, he said. This is pretty cool, the way they painted this in a brown, which matches the interior. Uh, 302 cubic inch engine, all Ford drivetrain. It's got a C4 automatic trans. I believe it's actually a 2-barrel carburetor on there. Stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Again, Mustang II front suspension, power rack and pinion steering. You can see it's got air. Does have front disc brakes, aluminum radiator with a electric fan. Air blows ice cold, guys. only has 2,900 miles on the build. This interior is gorgeous and high quality work, guys. See how nice the door pads, even the door hinges and everything are really nice stuff. Very comfortable seating. This interior is really nicely done. Tilt column, custom steering wheel. It's got Dolphin gauges in it. It's got an overhead console. Along with a center console in here. 2,091 miles on the build. Kenwood radio, again, custom center console there. It's got all new wiring harness, all custom, I think it's called Kwik wire system, dual exhaust, 9-inch rear. I believe it's leaf spring in the rear. Nice truck. Sits good. Again, you can see the custom fuel tank underneath. 9-inch in the rear. All LED lighting. Then these hinges are nice. The door latches. Like I say, look at the detail in the door pads. Pretty truck, man. Dash is done nice. I mean, truck still smells new. And that overhead console's new. Jordan's got to find the key. He hates it when I do that to him. Truck just runs great. Kick the air out. There it is, yep, there it is, yep. Again, air blows nice and cold. Truck just runs great. You see it's got the halo lights on it, which are pretty cool. All your gauges are functional. You can hear your radio in there working. All LED lighting, which is cool. Turn your parking lights on. Yeah, so you can see it. You may not be able to see it. It lights up. That Ford lights up though. Yeah, I don't think you can see it. It's got to be a little darker for you to be able to actually see it. Give it a rev, Jordan. Sorry. Radio works. Blower motor works. Electric wipers, nice conversion. Great truck, man. See the turn signals in the grill working. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. great day, guys.